Okay, Happy Horsham. Now we're going to talk a little about the pentatonic shapes and how to link those shapes. I've done this one time before, but I want to do it in the context of linking these patterns. There are 5 patterns, 5 major patterns, major pentatonic, and 5 minor pentatonic patterns, positions, whatever you want to call them. The most popular and the first pattern in the minor pentatonics is this pattern, which you can see down on the sheet that I'm sending you. I've sent it before,
Turn
but
it around.
Another one.
Yeah, turn it this way. Yes, so they can see it.
All right, so I just demonstrated it's fret 5 up here. We have all those notes are part of the first pattern. All the notes on fret 5 are part of the first pattern. But if they're part of the first pattern and they link to another pattern, then all 5 of those notes must be part of some other pattern. And what other pattern would that be? Well, there it is down here. It's pattern 5. And pattern 5 has all these notes on fret 5 as well. What's the difference? Well, one pattern is built from fret 5 on down toward the sound hole, and the other pattern on fret 5 is built up toward the toward your frets and your pegs. So here's pattern 1. And pattern 5, which hooks into that, uses, remember, all of these notes at fret 5 for an A minor pentatonic scale are are included in pattern 5. So that's what pattern 5 is. And you'll note that it's pretty easy to remember what pattern 5 is, because string 1 and 2 are the notes on of the pattern are 2 apart, and the notes at string 6 and string 5 are 2 notes apart as well. And the notes at string 3 and 4 are both part of, or both 3 notes apart. So I have two, three, or 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 2. It looks like a graph. So here is 5. Remember, this is moving toward the nut and the pegs, and pattern 1 is moving away from the nuts and pegs, moving down toward to the sound hole. So this is often called the extension of the Holy Grail pattern, this pattern 1 of the minor pentatonic, which we're doing in A. That's all important because I'm starting here on string 6, fret 5. That's the root note. That's an A. So everything that we're doing in these patterns concerns an A minor pentatonic scale. This is an A minor pentatonic scale down here. So you can hear that those sounds kind of all go together because of the same 5 notes all the time. There are the same 5 notes played all over the fretboard. And that's what amounts to, that's what gives you different patterns, because